What's up, guys? Mother Gaming here! Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Oh, wait, dude. Oh. Dude, did you know Call of Duty Advanced Infinite Warfare is coming out? It's coming out the 5 days before my birthday. Did you know that? It is. Yeah. Wait, I got it.
Can you record when I'm lighting up fireworks?
Sure, yeah. Hey, can I see one? Can I see one?
Then can I get one?
No. Oh yeah, guys, I cracked my screen right about here. Right here, my phone.
I can tie it. Here, Brandon! Go! No.
Ew, you got wieners?
Wait, I bet you I can juggle.
No, Dana tried to do that in one pop on its own. Hi, Pop!
Here, bro! Is it gonna stop raining in the grass? Money?
Call of Duty.
I said I'm going.
Yeah, man, I got a new hat. I customized it. You know, this right here, that's the amazing skull from Call of Duty Black Ops 1. Word. You popped it! You're such a bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Can I see,
Helmet.
Ah! Boop!
Dude, you left a mark on me. Yeah, you left a mark on my neck.
There isn't even a mark.
Yeah, there is.
You guys know me on Musically. Hey, Gavin, I want to see your YouTube video.
I don't know. Teenage Mutant Ninja.
How come he got one?
Cause he like pickles.
That one?
Cause he likes pickles.
Can I get that one? Like pickles? Ah, Brandon, get him on those. Hey, Gavin, come here.
What?
These
No, I want you.
Where are you going?
I'm doing something. Let me go get something.
I'm Gavin. Can I see your videos?
No. Ah!
Can I see your videos?
No. Gotta walk with purpose. Hey, did you really?
Yes, I did sprain my ankle.
Guys, look! I broke my ankle.
Guys, I sprained my ankle.
You just told me not to tell that. Jeez.
Wait,
Oh, man.
where are you?
Okay. What you looking at? And apparently they're lighting up the fireworks. Guys, look.
No, it's gonna change. Watch.
Noah,
What is that?
what's the thing?
What did you take it out? Why? What if that thing will kill us?
Oh, wow. If you found a freaking cigarette.
Next up.
Is that one big?
There's no pop now. I'm gonna take it out. No, it's gonna get the wire. Yes, you can.
What's up?
Yo, when it's really dark, you guys, that shit's gonna be loud and you can see the shit. That one. That's right. Yeah, oh, the big ones are loud. The big ones are loud when the rock.
Oh my god! Yeah. Shot,
Wait, which one
dude.
did?
Boy!
Oh my god!
Boy!
It's shooting out that way. No, they're not. There's something little.
Record it. I am recording it.
Stop it! Stop, little dumbass! Every time we hit her off with a motherfucking firework. Put all the trash in there.
Ooh.
Fuck, it's on fire. Stop on it. Manny, no more for your crazy dumbass. So what are you doing now?
Trash goes over here. Trash pile's right there. If they're already done, put them in here.
Ah, I get this one. Which one you want me to do next? Oh, you're like all like.
Put it in the trash.
Bear.
Manny, ready?
I'm gonna throw a balloon at it. No. I'm gonna get over that shit. That's
Oh, go.
run. What are you hiding?
Yeah. Bruh. That's all?
Look at that. No, dumb.
Is that all?
It's gonna blow up. It's not. I'm gonna laugh if it actually blows up. I'm gonna scream.
That shit says fuse.
Exactly.
Oh, I thought it meant like you could get like couldn't like legit blow up. Just
Like a firework. Other one's going left.
dude.
Oh, I'm about to go.
Hey. Wait a minute, is that really gonna do that?
Yes, it's gonna go up and.
Sure, okay, guys. Here comes the big one.
Amani's hiding way back there.
Hide, yeah.
My phone's not turning on.
Come on.
Should I do the June bug thing?
Oh.
Hey, air finale.
Yep.
June bug coming in. Okay, grand finale.
Hey, Nella, where'd you get that from?
Hey, you guys are in charge of the trash. Grab it and put it in the car. Manny, like you said,
Hold up. I
Oh
got a
no.
feeling the cops are gonna come up. Hurry up.
Stop. Slide. Just slide it. Why did these have to go up and pop? One of them are.
none of them are going.
I'm gonna throw balloons in it. Time out. I don't know why the hell I said time out. Wait, this one, you're doing that one right now?
What the fuck?
That one's going up.
He's not trying to freaking open. Somebody got a light.
I'm about to light this, y'all don't do.
Move, back up. Everybody back up.
Put it next to each other.
Back up.
Put it next to each other.
Yes, back up.
And light them at the same
No,
time.
wait, back up.
I'm getting
Go
right
back.
on.
Yes, come on.
Have y'all's lighter on the same time. Have it on at the same time. Both of y'all.
Yo.
That bottom is popped. That's gonna go. Where's the big one? Where's the other one? There's two of them.
Wow.
Yeah.
No. That's all? And none of them are gonna go up in foot.
One of them has to.
Oh wait, no. Those are the ones that plug into the ground.
Yeah, we gotta do it.
Not yet.
No,
Just we gotta turn off.
Wow.
It'll be sick. It'll be sick.
Come on.
Stop. He's lighting a firework.
Oh. Get behind the rock. There
Yo. Oh, it's fucking Wait, we connected the cops call. No.
Wait, what?
Dude, you're not even recording.
Yes, I am. I'm recording.
Oh, wow, you asshole.
What? What? Are you retarded? Give me lighter.
No. Yes. Oh, go light it up. Is that Noah?
Boy, yo looks so different. Ew. Go get a lighter, Sarah, please. Can you go get a lighter? Armani, can you go in the house and get a lighter? I'm doing that.
Go.
Get back. It's a big one. It's a big one.
That's not a big one.
How did you stop?
Oh, it's on fire. Oh, no.
Alright, we gotta calm down. Wait till the smoke clears.
Yeah. No, because eventually. No, because eventually the fire trucks are gonna be coming because this thing makes see smoke.
My mom said the cops came.
Are you serious?
What?
Go down and get my bathroom.
Well, are you serious?
Dude, the cops are here. Why are the cops here? Oh, I actually got this empty. Yeah.